Sirius XM.
Still military they're allowed to have and how their neighbors treat them 80 years later. And this also wasn't just any meeting. Japan's prime minister was there because Trump needs Japan's help in the Strait of Hormuz. But also, I guess we'd rather have Trump bombing.
Yeah, that's right.
We should send you back for a test.
Yeah, we should send you back for a test. That's right, exactly.
Stop sign!
Idiot.
And others, the Immigration Refugee Board said, no, these people are fine to stay in Canada, and those are being appealed. So there are things happening. There was a hearing this week where the officials said, well, we couldn't really report them right now.
This guy off.